Good morning, ninth graders. Today we are going to be talking about something called author's purpose. Author's purpose. You already know an author is the person who writes a book. So for example, our grammar book that we use, the author is Betty Champfire-Azar. But an author always has a purpose or a reason for writing something. And today you're going to take some notes. So you're going to need some notebook paper and a pen to write down some ideas. And I'm going to tell you what to write. The first thing I want you to write down is writer's purpose or author's purpose. And what you need to write down is the end of this sentence. It says, everything that has ever been written, every book, article, movie, TV show, pamphlet, sign, text message. Everything that has ever been written was trying to achieve one of three goals. These are the three things I want you to write down. To persuade, so you'll write down the word persuade and give a little space. Inform, you write down the word inform and leave a little space. Or entertain, write down entertain. We call these three things author's purpose. P for persuade, I for inform, and E for entertain, which spells out pie, this is a pie, which is something people like to enjoy. It's a treat, sweet like a cookie. But pie, or author's purpose, is what we're going to focus on today. So the first thing I'd like you to write, you already wrote persuade. Persuade means to try and convince or persuade somebody. So if I'm trying to persuade you, I'm trying to get you to do something that I want you to do. We just had an election. Donald Trump tried to get people to vote for him. Joe Biden tried to get people to vote for him. That is called persuading. And we see persuading on TV and in movies and in books and articles. It's when they're authors trying to get us to do something or buy something or see something or vote some way. They're trying to get us to do something. So an example would be commercials, opinion articles, text messages from your friend saying, hey, could you share with me your English homework? Can I copy it? That's persuading. The second purpose a writer has is to inform. And this means they're trying to give us some information to teach us something. So please write down to give the reader information or teach something. And then you're going to write some examples. An example would be a textbook, an article that you read, a documentary, or a text message from your mom saying, stop and get some milk at the store. We need milk. This is all examples of informing. The final piece is entertain. Entertain is to amuse someone, to make them feel a particular feeling. So entertain, please write this down. So an example would be comic books. Those sometimes can make us laugh because they're funny. Or maybe it's something that you watch on Twitch, right? Twitch people or TikTok, they're trying to entertain you, get you to watch something you think it's cool or you think it's funny. It's entertaining. Movies also are entertaining. Memes and GIFs are entertaining. Things that make you laugh, things that you are interested in to keep watching because you enjoy it. That is entertain. So you should have copied persuade and this information, inform and this information, and entertain and this information. Those are the three ways an author will write in. Now, you don't have to write this, but sometimes authors will use more than one purpose in writing. So they might try to inform and persuade you, or they might try to inform and entertain you. Teachers do that all the time. We want to inform you, but we also want you to be entertained, so you keep watching. So just remember, author's purpose, what is it? It's easy as pie. Persuade, inform, or entertain. Here's today's activity. You're going to watch this video here, and you're going to try to decide, is the author trying to persuade me, inform me, or entertain me? Or maybe a combination. So you're going to watch the video and you're going to learn how streets, roads, and avenues are different. And then you're going to go into the chat here and you're going to say what you think it is. Is it persuade? Is it inform? Or is it entertain? And tell why you think that. That's our work for today. Please join me for a Google Meet at 9 o'clock and I will watch the video with you and we will work through it together.